The Haryana polls, the voter turnout till 9 a.m. is close to 10%. Well, the picture will be clearer by, say, early afternoon as to which way, the voters are voting. Perhaps there have been many theories in the past. A high voter percentage indicates, as per many experts, some sort of advantage for the incumbent. A lower voter turnout, as many say, could be against the incumbents. Of course, these theories have done the rounds many a times in the past, but nobody can really say for sure what will happen. There's many a slip between a cup and the lip. But all these visuals coming in from Haryana, Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar casting his vote. Also, Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini, I beg your pardon, former Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar there casting his vote. Also, Vinesh Phogat, who of course is contesting from Julana. Her entry into the poll dangle, as it were, has made the election even more interesting. Many say that this has given an edge to the Congress as well. So all star campaigners more or less have cast their votes, from Manohar Lal Khattar, Nayab Saini, Vinesh Phogat, Kumari Shelja, the Bishnoi family, except the Hudas. The Hudas have still not stepped out. The Chautalas have also cast their vote. So all eyes now on the Hudas. But let me bring in our reporters now. Aishwarya is joining us from Karnal, I believe, unless he's moved to a new constituency now. And also Gurpreet is with us from Ladwa. So going across to you first, Gurpreet. The Chief Minister is now out. He is, I believe, inspecting various polling booths. He has cast his vote early morning. But you have been reporting on, what the voters are thinking about in terms of what they think about Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini. Do they consider him as leader, given the fact that it's a new constituency for him? But what are some of the other issues you're picking up?
Well, if we can talk about the voters, we had a word with a lot of voters to understand what are their sentiments. What we have learned, a main issue which is coming out very prominently from all the voters, they say unemployment has become one of the major issue. One side we have seen the state BJP government, they have been claiming there is no anti-incumbency and they had provided a lot of jobs to youth. But now we have seen even the old age people also, they are putting a question mark over this unemployment, saying that their sons and their daughters, they are working at a far distance, and it's one of the major issue. At the other side, we have seen the farmer issues also coming up, even that they are saying a lot of protests were being held there. Now, a few minutes back, we had a word with the Chief Minister of Haryana, Nayab Singh Saini, and he has already made it very clear, saying that there is no anti-incumbency. But at this point of time, if we can talk about the political party, all the political party, whether it's the BJP, whether it's the Congress, whether it's Aam Aadmi Party, whether it's INLD or JJP, all the leaders are quite confident. But let's see that which political party will be able to gain or retain power in the state of Haryana. As of now, what we can understand, the government, the BJP government has been working for the last 10 years. They have been claiming a lot of development had been done by them, and they are asking for the votes on the basis of the development. On the other hand, we have seen all the opposition party, whether it's the Congress party, Aam Aadmi Party, INLD or other parties, they are putting question mark. They are saying the BJP government was not able to come up to the expectation of the people.
Stay on with us. Bhupinder Huda has also reached the polling booth. He is set to cast his vote in a short while from now. So he is among the late voters as far as star campaigners are concerned. I believe he is speaking to the media. Let's try and dip into the audio there.
और क्या कहेंगे, वो सरकार तो कांग्रेस की बन रही है।
सर, क्या सबसे अहम मुद्दा लग रहा है इस चुनाव में?
मुद्दे ही मुद्दे हैं, एक मुद्दे नहीं, मुद्दे ही मुद्दे हैं। ये विफल सरकार है, इस वास्ते लोगों ने फैसला कर लिया इस सरकार को बदलेंगे।
सर, मनोहर लाल खट्टर का बयान आया है, वो कह रहे कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने आप को नहीं संभाल पा रही है, सरकार के
They're speaking to the media, very confident, saying that the Congress is returning to power. Let's try and see if he is speaking again.
मुद्दे हैं, लोगों ने मन बना लिया अब की बार कांग्रेस की सरकार।
एक अपील करना चाहिए सरकार के लिए, आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं?
मतदाताओं से ये अपील है, शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से चुनाव करें, भाईचारा मजबूत करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतदान करें, अपने जो अधिकार है उसका प्रयोग करें।
सर कितने कॉन्फिडेंट है आप कांग्रेस की सरकार 10 सालों के बाद
और आप कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी जा रही है।
हाँ, कांग्रेस आ रही है, बीजेपी जा रही है।
सर क्या लहर है इस बार कांग्रेस की?
There, but certainly exuding confidence that the Congress will return to power. Of course, he has been a two-term chief minister as far as Haryana is concerned. Let me try and go across to my colleague Tanushka. Okay, let us settle a little because there is a lot of media there, and rightfully so. Bhupinder Hooda has really been leading the Congress campaign as far as Haryana is concerned, and he has quelled or sort of ruled out all reports of anti-incumbency. Though of course Kumari Shelja has been pretty vocal in saying that there are issues within the Congress and they have to be balanced out, they have to be sorted out. But Bhupinder Hooda has cast his vote there in Rohtak. The Rohtak campaign has been very interesting to see because the entire Hooda family virtually has campaigned extensively. This is a family bastion. This is something, whether it's Rohtak or Sonipat, the Hooda family has really focused on it a great deal with all his recruitment drives, etc., which is why he has that loyal support base there. But let me bring in Tanushka now. In fact, Tanushka was at that very polling booth. She tried to question Bhupinder Hooda there as well. So, Tanushka, Bhupinder Hooda has ruled out all possible reports of infighting, but he's very confident that the Congress will return to power.
Right, exactly, Vedant. Currently, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, along with his family, is moving out of his residence towards Sanghi village to cast their vote. As you can see, the car behind me is moving out at this point. And what he said, what he spoke to the media, was that he said that Congress की सरकार आ रही है और BJP की सरकार जा रही है. As you can see the visuals right here, that is Bhupinder Singh Hooda, former Chief Minister of Haryana, who is moving towards Sanghi village, which is his hometown village, and he is moving towards there to cast his vote. And what we are understanding at this point, that Bhupinder Singh Hooda seems very confident with respect to his voting.
Okay, we seem to have lost that line there with Tanushka. We'll try and reconnect with her. But as Tanushka is reporting, Bhupinder Singh Hooda has left his residence and he is now on his way to the polling booth, saying that there is no chance of the BJP returning to power. In fact, let me bring in Aishwarya at this point. Aishwarya, when you had spoken to Kumari Shelja, very interestingly, she did not rule herself out from the Chief Minister's race. She said that, it's something that will be left to the High Command. There will be a CLP meet. They will pass a one-line resolution and the High Command will ultimately decide. So, of course, she has said that there are issues within the Congress and they need to be resolved. But, Bhupinder Hooda, who is just left for the polling booth, he has said that, well, there are no issues. He has said, Kumari Shelja hamari behan hai, and, there are no issues at all as far as the Hooda and Shelja camp are concerned. What is the sense that you get as far as that infighting is concerned?
Well, certainly there is infighting in the Congress party. Of course, Kumari Shelja in the past had come out in open, and therefore the reason perhaps we had seen that Kumari Shelja was not campaigning in Haryana till September 16th. Ultimately, there was a meeting that was held with the High Command with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, and she expressed about the disappointments about the giving tickets to the candidates and not letting her to fight the elections in the Haryana polls, as she had stated earlier as well that she wanted to contest as well. So yes, it was out in open that there was infighting in the Congress party, although a larger message was ultimately sent out by the Congress High Command when there was Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi came out and addressed mega public rallies. We saw how Kumari Shelja along with Bhupinder Singh Hooda and others came to a same stage. But of course, infighting is out and open, that's everybody knows, and therefore the reason perhaps the Bharatiya Janata Party had attacked the Congress party in its own and stated that Congress infighting will lead Congress to have defeat in these elections as well, and they have no future in Haryana and nor in the country as well. But it is certainly on the other side, the Bharatiya Janata Party seems very confident. Congress altogether, the leaders also seem very confident in these elections. Both the parties are focusing on. But where I am is Karnal, which is a hot belt in itself, because it's a prestige battle between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party as well. And there you can see the political party booths outside the election polling station, and heavy crowd can be seen. We've been told that 10% of the voting had taken place till 9 a.m. in the morning, and it is, of course, Manohar Lal Khattar's. It was Manohar Lal Khattar's seat earlier, Karnal, where he fought from, ultimately vacated for Nayab Singh Saini. But now, Udai Anand, who is the current candidate from Karnal, he is a close aide of Manohar Lal Khattar.
Okay.